Let's talk about your creator mode part, because I loved it. How's your experience with a person who has never done this thing before?
No, we are going slowly. It's a 21-day process.
Okay.
It's 3 weeks. So each week we are tapping into a new aspect of the creator mode, at least in my sense. The first week is reflection. So it's very internal, introspective. Understanding, clearly understanding our relationship with our creativity, understanding our relationship with the content we consume, understanding why we are doing it, because it's always connected to some needs that we have. What are the fears, the limitations? What are the moments during the day that we feel the most inspired, that we feel we have the most creative energy?
Does that mean it's not like simply, putting the camera on and then start speaking?
It's the same that I'm doing in my mentorship, but on a challenge format, from the micro to the macro. So first we start with reflection. So it's very internal, and it already gives a lot of insights, and people want to do lots of changes already on their habits and the way they see things. Then we go into the rest week. Resting is very important. There is a huge misconception these days.
No, it's just like resetting.
There's a rebellion on rest right now. Teaching people to rest again, to be rested again, and to understand that you don't have to earn it. And as a creator, if you want to create, it's from the inside out. When you consume it from the inside, the outside in. So when you want to be a creator in your life, you need to allow more space without distractions. And
you have to be very choosy also.
Very selective of what is coming in. And when you allow more space and more time for your body to be present and rest, you have insights coming, you have ideas coming.
Absolutely.
Like many times I'm in my bed falling asleep and I just have these downloads of so many ideas, and I just need to record it, or I record a lot my voice, or I write. So I stay a bit in this liminal state. And it's awesome how much clarity I get.
Absolutely.
So those practices are very important. Going in the body when you want to be a creator. Because if you stay in your mind, you're not creating. You have to be more anchored. And then we go into the act. The third week is action. So then we take everything we learn together, mind, body, and then we put it into action. And I give them very specific tools.
And then things would be very easy.
Yes, exactly. Then it's just super flowy. And then they get the exact tools that I use to record my ideas, how to turn them very quickly into content, and to develop projects using AI as well, because I think it's very important to learn more and more about those things. Knowing to find a balance between the two, and how they can keep that freedom and that type of relationship with their creativity after the challenge, so then they can keep creating forever. Because once you understand this, what we go through in the challenge, the creator block, it doesn't exist anymore, because it's really about understanding what works for you.
You worked on the root level, right?
What's your rhythm? How do you create? What do you like? What puts you in a state of high when you go after post-workout, when you feel this blissful, after meditation, after a walk in nature, after a shower? Use those things during your day and schedule them in a way that it's going to help you. Put yourself in a state, in order to create what you need to create. Instead of scheduling from 9 to 11, I need to do this. At least for me, it doesn't work.
That's right.